In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Uber Eats ID verification. So one of the most common reasons why you're getting an issue despite doing the ID verification is that the name on the ID does not match your name on your Uber Eats account. Now, that is by far the most important thing out there. Obviously, there are photo ID issues. You need to make sure that your photo is clear, well lit, and unobstructed. You need to retake it if it is blurry or cut off, and of course, you will need to take a selfie as well. So what you want to do is you really want to make sure that you select on profile, and then where it says name, you want to make sure that your ID actually matches your name. So that means you need to use your account. And if you're in a situation where you realize the name doesn't match up, what I recommend that you guys do is log out, then create a new account with your information, or if you can, delete the account you're currently using, then make a new one. Then you're able to go ahead and actually sign in from there, and then you're able to go ahead and verify your account. So sometimes another thing that could be happening is that your ID isn't updated enough, or it no longer is valid. So if it's like a passport, for example, and it expired, then you are going to need to go ahead and get a new one. Identity checks are required every 14 days. If after 14 days your identity hasn't been verified, you won't be able to go online until you complete it. You can complete the check at any time by submitting a selfie to the 24/7 support team, or via the real-time identity verification prompts in the app. So keep that in mind. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.